Every part of your YouTube video has an impact on your audience. Besides your main content, adding an end screen to each of your videos will help you increase your subscribers and also promote your other videos. Before we go over those steps, remember that your video needs to be at least 25 seconds, and it is important to make sure that you have a dedicated part at the end where you can show your end screen. Once you're ready, sign into your account in YouTube Studio. Then, from the left menu, select Content. Click on the video you would like to edit. Then from the menu, click End Screen. Then choose the elements you want to add. You can add a subscribe element, a direct button for your playlists, or a button to your other channel. You can link a website, but only if you're an eligible YouTube creator. As for the video elements, you have the option to automatically show your most recent upload, or for YouTube to show the best content from your channel suited for the viewer. But you can always manually choose which video you'd like to add. Once you've added the elements to your screen, you can move them where you want them to appear on your video. And you can use the slider below to edit the timestamp when they appear. End screens usually appear in the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video. Once you're satisfied, click Save, and you're done. Now you can easily promote your other videos and channels and increase your audience. If this video helped you out, make sure to click like and subscribe to watch other guides and how-to videos. Also, check out these videos that we think you'll enjoy.